All right, so the first thing we have to do is loosen up this bolt with a 14 millimeter, that bolt right there, and let this guard loose, let it drop, and it'll give us access to the grease fitting. We're going to take the grease fitting completely off, and that will release the pressure off of the track. So let's do it. You can see the grease. You can see that grease fitting in there. Oh, let's get you in there. Right there. All right, so let's go ahead and take that off, and we will be using, I believe it's a 19 millimeter. Let's see what's on here. Yeah, 19 millimeter socket. You're going to need some sort of extension to get in there good. So I should have a couple of crowbars, but they are actually sitting on the job. We'll use what we have. All right, see all that grease that came out of here? That's because I pushed on this, and this pushes back, pushes the grease out, which keeps the track loose. Huh? All right, let's try to get that track off. It's not the easiest thing to do. It's not the easiest thing to do with one person. You need two people. Let's raise this side of the excavator up. It's resting on the ground too much. All right, let's see. We may have to keep it running just to keep it up in the air. But look at that. Look how loose I got those tracks. Everything's pretty clean, and that's because sorry, I'm out of breath. I just had the track off and cleaned it last week. So I need to flip this new track over because I need the track to be setting on there right where the tracks are like this towards the front and not like this. Hey, these things are very heavy. at least 200 pounds apiece. Oh, good Lord. So, sprocket in first, smooth roller in last, because you have a lot to pry on to get this end in. And don't forget about your middle roller. It'll catch, and if it catches, it'll give you a fit, and you won't know what it's catching on. Easy to forget about that. So all we have to do now is put our grease fitting back in and pump it full of grease.